if we put someone's knee in a cast and it doesn't move, it starts to degenerate quickly and it gets stiff. So during the night, some people move more than other people, but in general, you're not moving much. And so when you don't move, your joints tend to get stiff. So that's why when you break your wrist and you're put in a cast, you come out of that cast and that wrist is stiff. It's not necessarily that you broke it that it gets stiff, it's that you were put in a cast. If we put your other wrist in a cast, you would come out stiff as well. So again, movement is and motion is healthy. That's medicine. And so it's basically most of the time because you haven't really been moving and you get a little stiff. Just like when a cat gets up from a cat nap, they got to stretch out to kind of get going again. Now, also, that's exacerbated or made worse if you have arthritis. So as you get older, you find, hey, it might even take even longer. That's because when you have arthritis, it does take a little longer to get that joint warmed up. The bottom line is when you have arthritis, it does take longer. Your joints are stiffer. And so in the morning they're stiff and they're painful. You get moving, and once you get moving through the day, they don't feel maybe as bad. And then at night, after moving all day, they're kind of swollen and inflamed because there's arthritis in there, and then you notice it a little bit more. And that's kind of the cycle of how arthritis usually affects people. So in general, all of us are a little stiffer when we wake up in the morning because we haven't been moving. And if you have arthritis, it makes that even worse.